Think so.
Nervous about meeting Ratchet?
Ooh, do you have a crush on him or something?
A little.
Oh! Hello everyone, I am Matt Phantom. Welcome back to Ratchet and Clank Rifts Apart. Now, last time I left off, we completed the dimensionator shell in here. Had to face somewhat of a creature that was from this native of this planet. It reminded me of. It gave me some, what's it called? Alien vibes. You know, from that movie, Aliens. I don't know. So yeah, I guess in next one we're gonna meet up with Rivet and Clank, and then we do something. I don't know. Could be the end actually. Who knows? So before we do that, just want to say thank you guys for watching. Support my channel. Support my pretty much everything I do. You guys are awesome. Feel awesome. And yeah, don't forget the like button. Comment down below. What's your favorite thing about those creatures that we faced? You know, those alien-like looking creatures. Well, they're not looking. They're just alien reference-like creatures. What do you like about them? Do you like that they... I don't know. Do you like that they... There's two of them? Or that's... Like, one was kind of evil and the other one was kind of not. I don't know. Yeah, what's your favorite thing about those alien creatures? And don't forget to join Dragon Arts by subscribing and ring the bell icon to get notified whatever I upload. Alright. Let's go in. And then, go... What? Oh, over here.
Guess it's time to fix the
Yeah.
dimensions.
Of course. Let's do this. You can do it! Alright. Let's see.
Hi, Ratchet. I'm Rivet.
Oh.
Nice to meet you.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
Just
Uh-huh.
thinking about building the dimensionator and saving
Uh,
universes.
I don't
Are
think
you
so.
Nervous about meeting Ratchet?
Ooh, do you have a crush on him or something?
A little.
Oh.
He is friendly, I promise.
Yeah, unless he's your
Once
enemy.
we build the dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Yeah.
Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts.
Yeah, unfortunately.
You and Dr. Nefarious will be back
Oh.
in your own dimension in no time.
Okay. Are you sad? I mean, you could join us. But also, we could probably help you. What the heck? Anyways, we could probably help you with your Nefarious. I mean, two LOMBAXES are good together. Let's see. Do we go in there? Yeah, we do. Alright. Let's go ahead. And perfect. Alright then. Let's see. Nice. Oh, look, there he is. Wow.
What's it?
Yeah.
Hey.
It's another Lombax.
Hey.
Hello.
Yes. Hi.
Aw.
I'm
Aw.
Clank.
Yeah. Yeah, he lost an arm. I don't know how.
How? I am fine, Ratchet.
Okay.
In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
Uh-huh.
For the record, I found
Okay.
him like this.
Come on.
I believe
knew
so.
You wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty
Yeah.
sure you're me after all.
Wait.
What?
What makes you so sure you're not me?
I mean, you two could be different characters.
Come on,
Oh.
You got nothing.
Oh.
yeah, I got it.
That's cute.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Rivet, this is.
Uh-huh. Kit.
I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Uh-huh.
Me too.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Look, put her there. Oh.
Suppose it is
That's
time
cute.
to fix this mess.
Yeah. See. Here it is. Nice. Okay. Why don't you hit a ride? Yeah. Oh, that's cute. Uh-oh. That's not cute. We're trapped. Oh no. That sucks. Oh no.
Thank you.
Oh, Nefarious. There you are.
Dr. Nefarious.
Yeah.
Does this dimension love me or what? My
Uh-huh.
problems deliver themselves right to me.
Yeah,
Times you beat
unfortunately.
this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Yeah.
Try?
Be my
Probably.
guest.
Okay. Ooh, perfect. Oh, wow. Oh. Nice. Looks like we're going to defeat Nefarious with her. Take this! Ow! Damn. Ooh! Take that! You jerk! Ow. Come on. Hang on. Minions! Come forth and save me! Let's go! This! Yep. Ooh, leveled up. Perfect. Yep. Come on. Let's go.
Think you're so tough. Let's
Yeah.
up the heat.
What? Uh-oh, here we go. There we go.
I must LOMBAXES
Oh!
adaptable
Oh! Ow!
Just fall already.
Oh, God.
And let me enjoy
I ain't
my
gonna do it.
This is not looking good.
Uh-huh.
I've got it covered. I'm totally fine.
And there we go. Alright, so we have running low on health. Ow.
What did you do with the
Oh, cool. Nice. Checkpoint. Ow! Come on.
definitely buying that?
Shoot. I hit the wrong button. There we go. Come on. There we go. Ow. Alright. Laser pointer. Ow. That hurt.
What did you do with the Emperor?
Ow. You never? Yes.
Definitely buying that.
Uh-huh. Come on. Yep. Nope. Laser pointer. That's not my laser pointer. That's my laser pointer. That was the wrong one. There we go. Uh-huh. Come on. Ow! Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I live? I live. I live, apparently. Oh! Come on. Where'd you go? Oh! Ah! 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 Fire! Nope. I study your attack patterns. Come on. Oh, here we go. And we're flying. No! That's no fair. At least I got health.
Nice, Grunthor.
Oh, yeah, yeah. That sucks.
Yep. This is where I'm from.
Yep.
Funny story. Wait.
Okay.
Mission focus.
Uh-huh. Yeah, apparently. Okay. No! Do we have to... Yes, we do have to destroy you. Fire! Nope. Come on. Alright. Go. Come on. Nice. Yep. There. Nope. There we go. Now it's charging. Fire! And now we're out of ammo. Nice. Oh, great. This sucks. Where are you? Uh-oh. I should probably use my shield. No, I should probably have that up. There we go. Shield up. This! There. Okay. I'm only at 15%. One more shot. And I'm all out of shots. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Ooh, shots. Perfect. Let's see. Shotgun? Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go.
That's it.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna send you into the heart of a
Yeah.
supernova.
No, please. Don't like that. Alright. Oh. This isn't a supernova.
Why aren't these buttons labeled?
You went through a lot
Ow.
of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
Ow!
You and
Can't
Ratchet
take...
in front of this audience of my adoring fans.
Ow! Forgot that to dodge that. Okay. Alright. Alright. Nope. Ow. I don't have laser pointer. Fire! Uh-oh. I did.
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
Ow.
Can't wait to defeat you and
Oh wait, that's not. Ow!
my adoring fans.
Come on. Nope. Nope. Ow.
That'll leave another cool scar.
Hey, hey. Okay. Got 16%. Uh-oh. Okay. Come on. Get closer. Nope. Ow. Nope. Okay. Laser pointer!
Enough of this.
Nope.
Insolence.
Oh, come on.
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
Nope.
Can't wait to defeat you and
Nope.
Ratchet in front of this audience.
Oh, come on.
Adoring fans.
Nope. Nope. Ow. Come on, man. There it is. Heal up. Do that. Ow. Okay. Okay, so shield doesn't work with that guy.
You went through a lot of trouble just for a taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet
Come on.
in front of this audience.
Come on.
Adoring fans.
Yeah, I don't think these guys are your fans. Okay. I can't see. Come on. Forgot to dodge. Gotta use the phantom dodge.
Enough of this.
Okay.
Insolence.
This one's the jump dodge. Ouchies. Not today. Ow. Oh, cool. Hold still. There we go. Nice. Woo-wee. Nice. Another job well done. Perfect. Ooh, people are cheering us. Nice. Oh. You alright? What? Oh no! The other Nefarious! That's not good. Quick, grab the dimensionator and run! Uh-oh. That's not good. No! That's ours!
Wow! What a battle!
Wow, you have a different voice than your counterpart.
Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory!
Okay.
I wish I could have been here sooner. However,
Yeah.
I am thrilled to announce
Okay.
that I finished neutralizing my enemies.
Uh-oh.
With the
That's not
exception
good.
of Captain Quantum.
Quantum?
And anyway,
And
when I heard
what?
that the rebel Lombax
Uh-huh.
was battling me, I
Yeah?
had to
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat.
Yeah.
celebrate
Woohoo! We are?
there.
Oh. That's not good. Uh-oh. Ow.
Wait!
Oh.
I've been fighting rebels for years.
Okay.
Let me help you wipe them out.
Oh.
My
Suck up.
strange fan wants to assist.
Uh-huh.
Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting?
Oh no.
A home game, perhaps?
Home game? What does that mean?
Sargasso, I have to get there first.
We're coming
Oh.
with you.
Yeah.
We must find Quantum. He's
Oh.
the last rebel on that list.
Okay.
Go to Abdullah and find Pierre. He'll take
All right.
care of him.
Oh no. That's not good. The other Nefarious is
Face the
back.
Emperor. We should gather as many resources as we can.
Uh-huh.
You're right.
Okay.
Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.
No, we're not doing that. Not sorry. No, no, no. Not when I'm making episodes. Alright?
Of course, the Emperor would
Oh.
go back just because he was on the news. Ugh,
Uh-huh.
Not for the dimensions falling apart. Or
Yeah.
the Emperor has always been a threat to our universe.
Yeah.
We
Apparently.
must get the dimensionator away from him before
Uh-huh.
we have no home. Hold that thought.
Oh.
With the bombardier.
Okay.
Guaranteed for an exclusive
We can buy this, finally! Perfect.
The Emperor has always been a threat
Nice.
to our universe. We must get the dimensionator
Uh-huh.
away from him before
Okay.
we have no home left to save.
Alright. Let's go ahead. That's the wrong button, but there we go.
You tried to add
Okay.
extra water?
Okay.
We are not
Let's
letting
see.
the Emperor destroy my home.
Yeah,
It
let's
is
go.
not your fault that they were captured.
Uh-huh. I guess that I guess you kind of make
Emperor was
that
bad
technically
enough,
right.
But now that he has the dimensionator,
Uh-huh.
we will not lose your friends.
Oh. Don't worry.
So, if
What?
Ratchet is an alternate dimension me, and
Well,
Clank is
uh-huh.
an alternate dimension you,
Yeah,
were we meant to team up too?
probably.
They do seem
Uh-huh.
happy together.
Yeah.
Guess being on my own is just what
Uh-huh.
I'm used to.
Yeah.
Me too.
Oh.
So maybe this is just temporary.
Oh. Oh, why not permanent? There's clearly room for two in that ship of yours. But I don't believe you two are they're the alternate version of you. No. Well, the place is seen better days, apparently. Alright.
Is all this fighting really necessary?
Okay.
We talk about this over some lemonade.
Ooh, I'll actually love some lemonade.
Emperor despises lemonade. Nothing
Oh.
should be sour and sweet.
Okay, now we're gonna now we want to have some words with your emperor buddy.
Worst.
Fire!
Done picking on the little guy?
Your turn. There we go. Okay. There. And there we go. Perfect. We'll probably have some words with Nefarious. Lemonade is the superior drink. Come on. Alright. Prove me wrong. go. Come on.
Has become even more dangerous with the dimensionator.
There we go. Nice. Alright. Let's go ahead. Okay! You got some Spike's hand, buddy? That's not good. Ow. Come on. Ow. Uh-oh. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Ow. Die. Come on. There we go. Now your turn. There we go. Nice.
All enemies neutralized.
Whew.
Friends are safe.
Yes. That's good.
Aw, Rivet. Sorry you
Uh-huh.
had to come save us again. We
That's
tried
fine.
to hold our own, fixed up the
Uh-huh.
centipede and everything.
Okay.
Those dimensional thingamajiggers is blocking
Yeah.
it from taking off.
First off,
Okay.
none of this was your fault.
Yeah.
Second,
Huh?
leave the thingamajigger to us.
Apparently, definitely.
By the way, say hi to Kit.
What? Yeah.
Any friend of Rivet is a friend of ours.
Yeah, nice.
Hello. That's Maynard, the Mortis helper.
Uh-huh.
He'll lead
Yeah.
us to the Seekerpede.
Oh, really? Okay. I see some Airtanium over there. Alright. Break that. Perfect. And break this. Nice. Now let's go. And perfect. Nice. Uh-oh. Okay. Here we go. Oh, that's just so satisfying. Take this. Boom. Boom. Take this. Boom. 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 Oh, man. Hey. Go away.
He is taking out all life on the planet.
Uh-oh.
We have to keep following Maynard.
Yeah, good. Okay. I'm just gonna collect some of these goodies that are lying around. Alright. I see one. Ooh, I see a couple. How did I miss these? I don't know. Hi.
Tasteless of you to disrupt my welcome wagon.
Uh-huh.
Put a lot of thought into it.
Okay.
I hope you don't mind I watch from a distance.
Uh-huh. Yeah, sure.
Eliminating your allies.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Seen better resisting, to be honest.
A lot of
Sure
talk
you
for
have.
a hologram.
Yeah.
Why would I waste my energy fighting?
Yeah, because you're a coward.
Rebels will soon be a memory, along with this sludgy
Uh-huh.
excuse for a planet.
Okay.
Sargasso needs to
Uh.
Sargass go.
That kind of sucked. Can't believe you laughed at it. Alright. Do that. There we go. Nice.
Over holograms. Classy.
Uh-huh.
Instilling fear from a distance is a
Yeah.
common tool of oppressors. I have seen
Uh-huh.
getting closer to the Seekerpede. Let's keep
Okay.
pushing forward.
Got it. Collecting all these goodies, actually. There we go. Alright.
Emperor requires your immediate incarceration, loyal subject.
There we go. Hey, yes. Say this.
Will assist in your compliance.
Come on. Your turn. There we go. Perfect. Ow. Jerk. Go away. Shoo. There we go. Alright.
Just you wait, Lombax.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. Please spoil. I do love the spoil of their surprise.
Let's keep after Maynard.
I don't know. Oh, goody. Fire! And fire! Oh, you took the hit for this guy. Nice. Oh, it was all net. Inedible.
So many ships.
Uh-huh.
The Emperor's being very thorough.
Yeah.
It'll be okay. We'll
Uh-huh.
find a secret beat and the fight will start going our way.
Okay.
Go.
Alright. Pick up some more ammo. Oh yeah, the buzzsaw. Let's see. Let's replace that with the buzzsaw. Yay! There we go. Perfect. Fire! There we go. Come on. Let's go. Nice. Let's go. Oh. Out of ammo. Boom! Perfect. Alright. Well, I see something over there I can go into. And let's do it!
Somebody must be missing
Oh.
one of the crates.
Okay. No, not that one.
Well, I bet I'd be caught
That
on
one.
a path.
Alright. Okay. Go. There. Nice. Oh, that's actually helpful.
Anyone out there?
Huh? Who the heck is that?
Like trapped outside in space and time with nothing to know.
Uh-huh.
My gains are fading.
Okay. I'll be there. Hi. Goodbye. And there we go. Perfect. Okay. That's good. Alright. Can we warp? Okay, we can warp back. Yeah, they're not worth it. Normally I would have break those boxes, but they ain't worth it. Alright. Alright. Oh god. Do that. Warp over here. Alright. Let's see. Fire! Oh, okay. Go. There we go. Come on. There we go. Nice. Not sure if we're going the right way. Yes! We don't have time to play. Yeah, they need our help. Okay. Go over here. Nice. There we go. Alright. Ow! I thought there was a platform down there. Come on. Go. Come on. Ow. Come on. Go. Leveled up. Ow. Come on. Ow, I dead. Yep. Fire! Come on. Let's go. Perfect. Oh, we're over here? That sucks. Come on. There. There we go. And ammo. Alright. Can I get more ammo? Apparently not. Ammo? Ammo! Okay. Ow! There. Fire! we go. Come on. Out of ammo. Come on. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Perfect. Nope. Come on. Ow. Oh, goody. A dropship. Alright. Oh, hi. Ow. There we go. Nice. Alright. Okay. Go away! Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Ow. Ow. Fire! Come on. Let's go. Uh-huh. Come on. There. And come on. Fire! Ow. Go away. Ow! There. There we go. Come on. Come on! Go away! Go away! Ow! Come on. Die. Hey. Go away! Go away! Shoo! Come on. Hey! Die! Alright. Ow! Give me that life. There we go. Fire! Sure. Go away. Come on. Go away. There we go. Come on. And got one more shot left. Oh, come on! That's bull! Nope. Nice. Come on. Come on. Nope. Go away. No. Come on. Die. Yay. Die. Alright. Come on. Come on. Nope. Not really, but whatever. Go. There we go. No. Alright. Come on. Ammo! Uh-huh. And I do not appreciate you. Ow. Okay. Heading to the other house. Fire! Come on. There we go. There. Come on. Nope. That's no fair. Ow! Come on, man. Come on. What? That's no fair. I had my shield out. Come on. That's not fair. Right. You head back. Uh-huh. Come on. Here. Come on. Ow. Ow! Come on. This is getting annoying. You fall back, get some health. There we go. Okay, got ammo. Alright. Got some health. Actually, I need some more health. Health. That'll be perfect. How did I miss this? There we go. There we go. Alright. Fire! Come on. Ow. Come on. Go. There. Uh-huh. Sure. Yep. Come on. One more. Great. Let's head over here. There we go. There we go. Fire. Come on. And there we go. Come on. Ow! Okay, good. I was about to say, don't tell me I died. Yeah, I know. Got some health. Okay. Come on. Fire! Go. Come on. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Alright. That was stupid. Oh, there was a health. Come on. That's all ammo. Okay. Fire. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. Oh, you're almost dead. Nice.
That is satisfying.
Uh-huh.
Thingamajigger. Here you come.
Alright.
I'm looking forward to examining that anomaly.
Okay.
So,
Ugh.
Clank, he...
Yeah.
It is just like what
Okay.
I am
Nice.
imagining.
Uh-huh.
Get.
Hey, Gary, what's up? Let's see. What does this do?
Oh, this is an electric sphere.
Uh-huh.
You remembered your training.
Okay. Ooh.
What happened to Clank?
Nice.
He's traveling to Argillers with Ratchet.
Uh-huh.
You two have met?
He's been helping me
Yeah.
take care of these dimensional anomalies.
Oh.
Okay.
So that explains why this all feels so familiar.
Uh-huh. Guess so.
Fascinating. Some kind of dimensional deja vu. Anyway, care to help?
Uh-huh.
Absolutely.
I guess so. Oh, God. Oh, okay, cool.
This should elevate things.
Does that spinnergizer look powered down to you? Maybe it could use a boost.
Yeah, I guess. There we go. There. Okay. Not that one. Nope. There. How do I... Oh, yeah.
That's
There we
intriguing.
go.
The Spinnergizer converted the dimensional energy into action.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Good job, Kit. You're just as fast a learner as Clank.
Thanks.
How bad are
Okay.
things now?
Well,
Uh-huh.
we're circling the drain. It seems
Yeah.
that the dimensional cataclysm has been intensifying even faster than I expected.
Uh-huh.
I assume the
Okay.
Emperor stealing the dimensionator and firing it recklessly has something
Yeah.
to do with that.
Yeah.
That would do it all right.
Okay. Alright. See.
So, what do you think of Clank?
Oh,
Yeah.
talented, resourceful,
Uh-huh.
shiny.
Agreed?
Okay.
Agreed? Agreed.
I can see
Oh.
why you'd be your counterpart.
What does that mean?
It's a
Yeah.
compliment, Kit, to both of you.
Okay.
What do you think of Clank?
We have barely
Yeah.
spoken, but I am glad my counterpart is a good guy.
Uh-huh.
Worried about that?
It is a reasonable concern.
Well, it
Is
wasn't
it?
for me. You're good. No, great.
Okay, oh, God.
So of course he would be too.
Uh-huh. Okay. And... Now. Shoot.
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
Uh-huh. Okay. Let's see. Now, what the heck do I do about this? Okay, do that. That lowers that button. Okay. But I'm not that fast enough. Okay. Let's see. I'll grab that. There.
That
Okay.
Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
Let's see. And then there's no way. There. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Now. Let's see if I can just make it. Nope. Okay. Something's powering that thing up. Let's see.
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Not seeing the clues here. Let's see. No! What the heck? Okay. No, that's not it. Let's see, then that goes over there.
That Spinnergizer could use some energizing.
Let's see. Wait. Oh, okay. Alright, I get it now. Alright. Okay. Alright, had to think that through. Must be enough.
Look at you, Kit. You're doing work
Huh?
worthy of being cataloged in the archives.
Oh, thank you. Oh, my brain hurts after that. But at least we're gonna go there. We're getting it all done. Okay, so now what?
Clank is with Ratchet. Does that mean
Uh-huh.
you're here with Rivet?
As we have been destined to be.
Yeah,
Is
I
that
guess
what
so.
Clank is happening?
I do not know.
Uh-huh.
With Ratchet,
Okay.
Well,
See.
destiny or not, I hope Rivet realizes how lucky she is to have you.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay, looks like I've got a floater.
wow, feeling lighter already.
Nice. Okay.
I hope I'm not interrupting your process, but
Uh-huh.
I think there are more spheres left to find.
Yeah, I see it. Okay. Over here. Oh, okay.
Super
See.
heavy energy? Fascinating.
You know that you've done
There we go.
better than I. You went out
Okay.
into the unknown without a lifeline, doing the last
Uh-huh.
thing you ever wanted to do.
There we
And
go.
you're succeeding. I could
Yeah, I guess
never
so.
have done that.
But you are
Uh-huh.
trying to fill in for your father.
Yeah,
Helping
I
Clank and
guess.
navigate all of this.
Uh-huh.
Are doing that. And succeeding.
Obviously.
Go us!
Yeah, go us! Nice.
Kit, I am so proud of you.
Uh-huh.
Well done.
Yeah,
I could not have done it without you, Gary.
guess so. Let's head on through. Nice. Oh. Okay.
Now these jerks will really find
Uh-huh.
out who they're messing with, don't you know? Watch me.
Okay.
Nice work.
Yeah, nice. Good job, Rivet. Or Ket. Yeah. Okay.
Wanna
There's
blow
a ship.
that up? I could be persuaded.
Yeah, I guess so.
Not exactly a straight line to the battle cruiser, but
Uh-huh.
roll shot should get us closer.
Yep. Ooh, what is that? Black hole storm? Ooh. I wish, but unfortunately I'm out of currency. Whee!
Try to use my own syncopete against me.
Uh-huh.
I do not want to
Okay.
come
Uh-oh. Let's go. Okay. Uh-huh. What?
I want to see how far you can go
Okay.
before I trample you.
Uh-huh.
I want to see how far you can go.
Yeah. Let's go!
Coming for you!
Here we go.
LOMBAXES reach the cruiser!
Yes, I have. Nope. Come on. Let's go. And perfect. Ow. Let's go. Perfect. Here we go. Rangers for everybody. Ooh, leveled up. Ooh, more Rangers for everybody. Alright. Nice. Go. Perfect. Here we go. Come on. Nice. Your turn. Okay, out of bullets. Doesn't matter, because they're dead.
How do we sink this thing? Maybe
I don't know.
Damage its power source. Good thinking.
Probably?
Let's look around.
Yeah, I will.
Oh, brilliant! Simply brilliant!
Uh-huh. Am I?
I hear the preparations are complete, Mr.
Okay.
Nefarious. It's
See.
Emperor. But you with it. The point
Uh-huh.
is only just beginning.
Yeah, okay. Give me a second. I'm getting everything off this sheep. Alright. I'm not sure if we should do this because they're happy about it, but whatever. There we go. Uh-huh. Okay. Alright.
Let's make things a little more interesting, shall we?
Uh-huh.
All cruisers,
Okay.
activate your destructor beams.
Uh-oh. That's not good. Here we go.
Did he just say planetary devastation?
Yeah, I guess so.
Our equipment's going haywire. The
Uh-huh.
cruisers are blasting straight through the planet's crust.
Ooh, nice. Like a fire shit.
The Emperor is going to wipe out all of Sargasso.
Okay. See.
You can try.
Fire!
I'm not gonna let him destroy my home.
You leave the mothership
Oh, okay.
to us, Rivet. We'll keep her busy with our pesky
Uh-huh.
centipede.
Ow.
You got it. We'll handle those battle cruisers.
Okay. Yeah, we will.
Hey, I'm getting the hang of this.
Uh-huh.
I'm like green trees. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you for not throwing us off.
Uh-huh.
Generators on the decks of those cruisers should be no problem for Trudy.
Yeah, I guess so.
Take this and that, but don't forget about this, don't you know?
Uh-huh. Okay. Come on. And perfect. Oh wait, are we getting damage? There we go. Let's go. Ow.
Now that we have Trudy, I
Uh-huh.
think we can destroy the other
There we go.
one down.
Yeah, I see what we have to do. Uh-oh.
Destroyed. I'm devastated.
That's not good.
Whatever will I do?
Come on. Give up.
Shields up, my darling battle cruisers.
Uh-huh.
Shields? Ah, just couldn't
Yeah.
be easy. Those shields are
Yeah.
impenetrable to any weapon we have. I do not know how
Okay.
we can past them.
See. Gotta be a way.
We threw together some bombs at our gelatonium stand.
Okay.
Should help you take down those shields.
Really?
Pick them up and toss them at the cruisers.
Alright.
Here are the bombs Mort mentioned. Let's
Where?
grab one.
I don't see one. Is that it down there? Oh, I guess they are. Here we go.
Let's see how their shields hold up against one of these.
Yep. And fire! There we go. Perfect.
Take that, Emperor Nefarious.
Yeah. You jerk.
That lizard has bombs now.
Uh-huh.
I grow tired of waiting. All cruisers
Uh-huh.
increase beam strength to 120%.
No, don't do that.
So broken.
Yep. Come on. Uh-huh.
Sargasso is becoming unstable. We
Uh-huh.
must act quickly and destroy the other batteries.
Fire!
Mayday! Mayday! They winged us! Gonna attempt to wire
Uh-huh.
landed. It's all up to you now, Rivet!
Okay. Wow.
Trifle thinks she can stop us. Concentrate all
Uh-huh.
power on the planet. Destroy it all.
Yep.
Terminator.
Rivet, the battle cruiser's destructo beam is moments
Uh-huh.
away from breaching the planet's core. You
Okay.
must stop it. We'll stop it together.
Yeah.
Trudy,
We got this. I got closer enough. Fire! Yep. And oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Kaboom! Nice. Awesome.
did it. We did it.
Yeah, we did it, Cat. Nice.
There they are.
Uh-huh. Hello. Yeah, and Trudy. Don't forget about Trudy. Oh,
All right.
he's
You're
happy.
welcome.
Yeah.
Break out the lemonade. We're getting crazy tonight.
Yeah! Lemonade! Let's go! Huh? Uh-oh.
Unlikely win just in time.
Shut up. Shut up. Don't you dare do anything with the lemonade.
Prison you go.
Uh-oh.
Oh, who needs tradition? Let's
Uh-huh.
spice things up.
What? Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm gone. Where the heck am I?
Appear to be in a pocket dimension.
Uh-huh.
Luckily, the
Yeah.
all-knowing Emperor didn't realize I know exactly how to get out of him.
Okay. What?
No, too far.
Oh.
Come on, Rips, work with me here.
Okay.
You two seem to have a lot of history.
Yeah, apparently.
Yeah, you could
Okay.
say that. I've fought
Uh-huh.
a long time to win our galaxy back.
Okay.
Lost friends, my arm.
The Emperor
Uh-huh.
did that?
Oh,
What?
not exactly.
Did she? He?
It happened during a mission.
Oh.
Found a secret entrance.
Oh,
into
look,
the
there's her.
Emperor's
She has
tower.
her other arm.
So I
Uh-huh.
tried to sneak in, alone.
Okay.
The door was right there.
Uh-huh.
I didn't notice when a Nefarious' warbots was nearby.
Okay.
I thought I could run.
Wait.
I wasn't fast enough.
No.
Then it just stopped.
No.
Got away before it could finish the job.
What? No. Don't tell me that was Kit.
It's not all bad. Rivet,
Uh-huh.
that's fine. Hey, look, an exit.
Okay.
Check this out.
Made it back. Alright, so let's go get us ourselves some lemonade and get fucked up.
Ratchet and Clank have some good news.
Uh-huh. Well. Yeah, let's get fucked up with lemonade. I'm gonna end this episode off here. Thank you guys for watching, guys. We saved this planet from one of Nefarious's Emperor of Nefarious's attacks, I guess. Oh yeah, and also he stole our quantum. No, our dimensionator. And yeah, and then now he teamed up with Emperor Nefarious, so that's all good apparently. So yeah, I guess next episode. And I guess in the next episode we're gonna see what's up with Ratchet and Clank. And also, I didn't know that. Oh, I did not know that Kit did that to Rivet. Wow, and Rivet doesn't even know about that. Wow. That's just something else, isn't it? So anyways, guys, I'm FM, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye!